I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Action.
Good morning, Decatur High School. Today is Thursday, and these are your announcements. Parents and students, tomorrow there is an informational meeting for sophomores and juniors from 5:30 to 6:30, and incoming freshmen from 6:30 to 8. If you can't attend, Monday there will be identical presentations, and then the following Tuesday the counselors will host a coffee with counselors from 8 to 10 in the first floor office. Anyone wanting to try out for baseball, please see Coach Maddox in 305 and sign the tryout sheet. Purchase your yearbook for $65 by Friday before the price goes up, and prom money is due no later than Friday, March 30th. Prom is Saturday, April 28th at Texas Motor Speedway. If you have any questions, see Ms. Smith, and anyone interested in driver's ed, the classroom, or driving part, see Coach Reeves in the field house. Now for sports with Crazy Colin.
Yeah. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon lights.
Boys soccer at Kennedale tournament, and special shout out to Coach Lame. Congrats on the new gig. Here's a video clip of his news conference.
Implement my coaching style.
Football is football no matter where you play it. You got grass, you got cleats, and you got helmets with masks on them.
A lot of small similarities.
A team I coach, they're going to play hard for all 4 quarters, okay?
2 halves.
What's that?
2 halves.
Okay, halves. They're going to play hard for 2 halves.
To prepare for this job, read a lot of books, watched a lot of game films. But to be honest with you, the best way to learn how to play this game is to play this game.
The square, goal?
Circle.
Circle's goal. See, I got you a little do-si-do. You don't know what to do. There you go. Good stop. Okay.
Game over.
Yeah, it's over for now. 15-0, huh? We're going to go in a rematch.
Yeah, they do things a little bit differently. Part of me that finds some of the things they do a little silly.
Pass it in. Well, you keep passing it backwards. What's going on here?
Well, the first thing I had to do when getting this job was learn about the competition. We came up with the flashcard system in order for me to make American comparisons to English teams. All I had to do was link what I don't know to what I do know.
Manchester United. Super rich, everybody either loves them or hates them.
Dallas Cowboys.
Liverpool. Used to be great, haven't won a title in a really long time.
Also Dallas Cowboys.
Starting to understand why these scores are so low. Look how tiny these goals are.
Those are practice goals, Coach.
What are these, trust exercises? Who's orange shoes there?
Gareth Bale.
That's Gareth Bale. Where he's from? He's from England?
Wales.
Wales? Wait, that's another country?
Yes and no.
How many countries are in this country?
4.
But I'm learning, and I want to learn. These young men, they just would not understand exactly what I was trying to get them to do. Well, with any new job, you got to anticipate a learning curve. But I tell you what, I'm in Tottenham, and I'm here to stay. You can guarantee that. 1 second here. Oh, nope, I got fired.
Now for Coach Park's 2 cents.
Here comes the sun. Doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun. I say it's all right. Everybody in the club.
And remember, DHS, don't let people who don't have your investment have a spot at your decision table. What's that mean? That means don't let people influence your decisions that have nothing invested as far as effort into your decisions. It's my 2 cents. God bless America. Have a great day.
Keep it classy, DHS. EFND. That's what I got.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
They can't hear you.
I bet they can.